What's up, everyone? This is reliable company Appliance Fix Lab, represented by its technician Yevhen from the Canadian city of Winnipeg. The local company Appliance Fix Lab specializes in repair and maintenance of Frigidaire appliances. Today, the camera lens is focused on an ordinary Frigidaire Gallery series refrigerator in the North River Heights area of Winnipeg, with a breakdown that is not as simple as it seemed to me at first. A reason for the service call. Strange symbol appeared on the refrigerator display as YEF. And the cooling in the refrigerator compartment has disappeared, and in the freezer compartment it is slightly cool, but the ice has turned into water. The recording of this code is as follows: System evaporator fault. This error code indicates that there was a failure in the evaporator fan circuit. The SYEF error code can be caused by a faulty component of this circuit, the evaporator fan, contacts or wiring, temperature sensor, or the main board of the refrigerator. Knowing the meaning of the SYEF error code, I remove the internal protective elements of the freezer compartment and gain access to the evaporator and all its components. The fan motor doesn't work. Having taken readings with a multimeter, I understand that the current supplying the fan is coming and its values are correct. With this information, I exclude the possibility of a faulty main control board of the refrigerator. Having checked the fan motor reading, I found out that it is faulty and must be replaced. I replace the old fan motor with a new one. Success? Yes, success. Everything works. The refrigerator and freezer compartments begin to cool down and the display does not show any error codes. But today is only the beginning of the repair. 3 days later, the company receives a call regarding the same Frigidaire refrigerator. According to the owner of the refrigerator, after replacing the fan motor, the refrigerator began to cool so well that the temperature in the refrigerator compartment was minus 4 degrees Celsius, which is completely unacceptable for the refrigerator compartment. Overdone it? My experience in repairing refrigerators suggests that this symptom and the previous breakdown are clearly not related to each other. I proceed to diagnose the cause of the frozen Frigidaire refrigerator. First of all, I check the damper that regulates the flow of cold into the freezer compartment. Gotcha. During software testing through the display, I hear the damper motor making noise, but the damper itself remains open. Most likely there is damage in the damper mechanism, and it must be replaced. In addition to the damper, the filter catcher and the plastic tube through which water flows into the dispenser were torn from freezing. I proceed to replace the parts. Success. Yes, now success. The refrigerator works correctly as originally intended by its manufacturer, Frigidaire. This repair is complete and I say goodbye to you. But I advise you to click the subscribe button right now, so as not to miss the next fascinating and informative series of video reviews on the maintenance of appliances in the Canadian city of Winnipeg. You subscribe and like. I make new videos on appliance repair and maintenance. Together we can fix any problem. See you soon. Bye bye.